Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a Passionately Purple Tablescape for 2020, and this tablescape is hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget, which is Marilyn's channel, and it's co-hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and TMB Design, which is Trevina's channel. And I'm going to list all their channels down below in the description box. So make sure you go and check them out and see all the fabulous things that they do on their channels. And make sure you check out the complete playlist that I'm going to have listed down there as well, so you can get some fabulous ideas on all different types of purple tablescapes that you could do for your home, for your special dinner party, or for a wedding. Whatever occasion you may have coming up where you need a purple tablescape, go and glean some ideas from everybody from this. Now, I had almost no dishes or nothing purple, but I wanted to join along. So what I did is I went and got these purple flowers from the Dollar Tree. I also got some purple paper napkins from the Dollar Tree. And then I grabbed a couple purple vases from the Dollar Tree. And that's really all I had that was purple. My flowers, my paper napkins, and 2 vases. That's all I have on this tablescape that is purple. But yet the purple stands out so much. So I really want to show you how you can use very little money and create something that's beautiful and elegant. And you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money to get the coloring or the look that you want. Now, to begin with, let me show you my table setting itself. I'm going to start with the silver charger that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to set that right here. And on top of that, I'm just going to place a clear plate. Now, this clear plate I picked up at the thrift store, but they have these at the Dollar Tree for just $1 as well. Now, on top of my clear plate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this little white salad plate from the Dollar Tree. Putting it right in the center, just like that. And now, because this is passionately purple, I took 3 Dollar Tree paper napkins and I just kind of spread them apart like this and laid them right on top of my salad plate. And now I'm going to use my linen napkin and lay it right on top of those paper napkins. Now we have that real pop of color, and we didn't have to use purple dishes. Now on top of our napkin, we're just going to place a little flower, a little purple flower. I just pulled this flower off from one of the Dollar Tree bunches of purple flowers and placed it right on top there. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our silverware. Now, the silverware I'm using right here is a little bit more of a dainty type silverware. So I am actually putting this on top of the charger itself, but you can easily just use your regular everyday silverware or even silverware from the Dollar Tree, and then just go ahead and place it on the table right next to your place setting. Now you can see my glasses here. My water goblet is actually from the Dollar Tree, and my wine glass I thrifted at the thrift store. And you can see both of my place settings are exact replicas of each other. And now let's take a look at this centerpiece. My 2 purple vases are from the Dollar Tree, and so is my clear vase in the center. Now what I did is, with the purple vases, to really make that purple pop, I put white flowers as the main flower in the purple vases. And then in my clear vase, I used some of Dollar Tree's hydrangeas, which have the purple and the white. So that really makes that stand out as well. And then you'll notice that I have the garland on the table, and I have that kind of put around in like an 8 shape going all the way around both of my vases that are sitting in the center of my table. And that ranunculus garland Now that has white flowers, as you can see here, and I just took some of the Dollar Tree hydrangeas in the purple, and I just kind of pulled those off from the bunch and set those every so often all around in between the different ranunculus flowers on our garland to give that whole garland that pop of purple as well. And I added candles all the way around our garland, our flowered garland, in the back and in the front. And now that center one, I have a leaf touching it. You don't want to use real candles if you're going to be really close to your leaves like that. But you can easily use the battery operated candles and you wouldn't have any problems. And I'm just using the white candles on top of the white tablecloth. And so the main color here that you see is that purple. That's what's really making it pop. And that's all we did to make this passionately purple tablescape. And one of the things I really like about this particular tablescape is that my eldest daughter actually helped me design this tablescape. It was a mother-daughter duo doing this one, along with another one that we're going to be putting up later this morning, which will be our Memorial Day tablescape. And that will be another one that the two of us designed together. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. That will be up in just a couple more hours. I hope you like this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.